everybody, it's your girl Candace coming to you with another video. So today in this video I will be doing a laundry room makeover. I guess you would call this a laundry room closet. It is, you know, stuff just threw up here, no rhyme or reason. It doesn't look, you know, functional. It's a mess. So what I'm going to do is pull out a little paint, do a little stippling on the wall. I'm going to try to put a folding table here. You guys will see that. So just stay tuned, guys, and I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video for more content. Go ahead and like. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to start out by removing everything out of here, getting rid of everything that's low and everything that needs to go in the trash, okay? So I pretty much got everything cleaned out of here. However, I need to pull out this washer, try to get the stuff that's between it. I'm probably going to have my husband get the washing machine. I think the dryer is light enough for me to kind of pull it forward so I can get, you know, get to this stuff. I haven't pulled this thing out in like 3 years, guys. So imagine what's going to be back here. Just imagine. Look, guys. Look back there. You know I don't be living like this. Imagine what's behind the washer. Lord, I don't be living like this. We gonna get it together. Woo! I'm itching right now. Alright guys, so here is the stencil wall. I just wanted to stencil this wall so I can have like a backsplash instead of painting. I did not want to do a dark color in here and do it full because this room is so small. So I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like there. Alright guys, so I'm going to start measuring my, pretty much my anchor to anchor my folding table on the wall, you know, above my... pretty much above my dryer. So I'm going to measure the height of my dryer, and then I'm going to measure that towards the wall, and then I'm going to start getting those anchors anchored to the wall. I'm going to find my stud and get everything done. I will show you guys how that looks once I'm done. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. I have been going for a moment. I am tired. I did get my anchors in here. As you guys can see, I measured everything so I can get my anchors in here so I can put my, what do you call it, my little table up here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, guys, and I'll come back and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright guys, I got the boards in. It looks like it's coming along well. I do have extra boards that came with it. So what I did is put those boards underneath so I can anchor it and keep it from rocking, you know what I mean? So it'll be sturdy. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and start decanting all of my items and pouring in my detergents and getting those organized, and then I will show you guys the finished product. So I decided to go ahead and put like a little shelf over here in the corner so I can just store stuff out of the way that I do not want on the top up here. So I'm going to go ahead and drill some holes and put the shelf together up here. I'm doing a lot, more than I thought I was going to do today. But, I mean, I have to use this thing all the time, so I'm going to go ahead and make it as nice as I can. Alright guys, so I am finally done with my laundry closet. It looks really nice, really neat. It looked way better than it did. Even the black backsplash came out pretty well. It looks way better than I thought it would once you brought everything together. I just wanted it not to look so plain back here, to give it some pizzazz, if you want to call that. So right now I'm going to give you guys the deets on how I got everything done, and just show you, you know, how I organize my space. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, this is the finished product. As you can see up close, I think I really did a pretty good job. Looks really nice, really clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did here. So I'm gonna pretty much tell you about the backsplash, because I know you guys seen me do that earlier in the video. What I did was got a sponge from the dollar store. I turned it on its side. I dipped it in paint and I made this pattern on the wall. So I didn't want to paint the wall because I didn't want it to look too dark in here, because it is a closet, a laundry closet. I didn't want to make it too overbearing and too bold. Another thing is this board here. I love the pattern on this board. It's really nice. I got it cut at the Home Depot.
Help get some of those?
Yeah, I'm waiting on the people to come.
You know they ain't never gonna go. Which one you need?
One up top right here. The guy did cut it to my measurements. I measured everything, and I think I did a good job because it fits in there just perfectly. So he measured everything for me, and then I had this piece left over, so I created a shelf with that piece that I have left over. Now, I'm going to start up at the top, guys. I got this bin from IKEA. I have another also on the opposite side of the shelf. I keep toilet paper here, and then here I just keep multi-purpose cleaners. This crate, I guess you would call it, comes from Marshall's. I got that today, actually, so they still should have plenty of them in stock in different sizes. And then this was So Fresh So Clean thing. I got that from the dollar store a long time ago. I don't remember when, but I got that from the dollar store. And this plant here, I also got that from Marshall's today. Again, another crate, and I just have what you see here, stain removers, laundry sanitizer, pre-treatment, just different things that I use on a normal basis. Here's my this and that bin. I just got stuff in here I throw in here I use on a regular basis, like little small trash bags, I guess light bulbs, and you know, these flat bags or magic bags, I guess that's what you call it. I call them flat bags. All right, guys, so we're going to move down some here. So here is where I put my detergent, fabric softener, and bleach. I got this stand from a friend, and I was going to use it for drinks, but I never used it. It just kept sitting there. I said, you know what? I'm going to take this out the kitchen. I'm going to put it in the laundry room, and I think I did a good job by putting it here. I like it here. It's practical. It's easy to reach. And also, I wanted to get some glasses to put here. I'm going to put some glasses. I'm going to label them with detergent, bleach, also, so we'll be able to use the same one, or I might just get more clear plastic cups. Here in the middle is pretty much OxyClean, but I put in there a laundry powder. Then I have some scent boosters here. I have some laundry pods here. It does say pods there, but it's kind of dark, so you can't see that really well. Then up here on this shelf that I made, oh, I like this little shelf I added. So up here on the shelf is like a first aid kit, and they're these drawers open. I did get this from Amazon. This is an Amazon find, guys. I do like this. They're covered and they open, so you can pull that whole thing out if you need to. Okay. Now in this next one, I have some dryer sheets as well. You can pull that out. I have 2 different types, well maybe 4 or 5 different types of dryer sheets in here. I just combined all my sheets there. All right, so yeah, I really like this. They're easy to get to. Then here I have like a lint bin, and then I have a laundry procedure guide. So this is pretty much what the overview of my laundry room look like. Guys, the before picture is like so much of a difference. It doesn't seem like I did a whole lot, but compared to the before picture, it's really nice. I love the pattern on top of this folding table. So yeah, that's the purpose of this table being here, is when I take things out of the dryer, I can just go ahead and fold them real quick, run them in a room, and then we'll be good. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, go ahead and leave some stuff in the comments. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I am willing to, you know, show you whatever part of my house you guys want to see within reason. Within reason. So yeah, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.